Hello everyone, Здравствуйте. I'm Rashmi, and as you must be knowing that today is the second class of this Russian week. So today I thought to teach you counting in Spanish, okay, from 0 to 10. So let's begin. Okay, so one more thing I want to say. I want to tell you actually. What do we say, like if I want to say, okay, are you ready, or like I want to say, are you guys ready, for plural actually, for like I'm referring to all I want to, if I want to say like, are you guys ready, so for that, ready, for that we can say in, this is how we write, this is gatovi, 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 gatovi. E, right? This alphabet E, ga to, because the stress mark is on this second O, not the first one. So it's ga to. Okay. Now we, gatovi, gatovi, gatovi. Okay. So gatovi means, are you guys ready? Gatovi, gatovi. This is, are you guys ready? So let's begin. Okay, so let's start with the counting. Okay, so number one, not number one actually, zero. What do we say to zero? Zero is nol in Russian. Nol, nol, nol is zero. This is how we write. Okay, nol, nol. Now one, one is adin, 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 adin. Okay, once again, adin. Okay, second is dva, dva, dva. Third is three, three, three. Dva and three, I guess it's very easy one. Okay, now fourth one, fourth one is chetire, 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 chetire. Fifth is pyat, pyat, pyat. As I have told you earlier, the last when there is soft sign, this is soft sign, right? I told you this letter, this alphabet, this one is a soft sign. So wherever it comes, the letter before it, it becomes the sound becomes softer, a bit softer. Okay, so this is pyat, pyat. Okay, pyat. Now this is shest, 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 shest. Okay, a bit softer. The sound of the last alphabet becomes a bit softer. Okay, shest, shest. Now this is same, same, same. Eight is восемь, восемь, восемь. Okay, the stress sign is on O, so this is восемь, восемь. Okay. Number nine. Number nine is девять, девять, девять. There's a soft sign again, so the last letter, the alphabet before it becomes, the sound becomes softer. Okay, so this is девять, девять. And the last, number 10 is десять, 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 десять. Okay, let's begin from zero. Okay, again, so repeat with me. Okay, nol, nol, nol. Adin, very easy. Adin, adin. Second, number two is dva, dva, dva. Third is three, three, three. Okay. Fourth is четыре, четыре, четыре. Nol, один, два, 3. Chetire. Chetire. Pyat. 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 Number 5. 6 is same. Sorry, 6 is chest. Sorry. Chest. 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 Okay. 7 is same. Same. 8 is wassim. Wassim. This is how we write, okay? Wassim. Now number 9 is David. 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 And number 10 is Desit. 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 This pronunciation part matters a lot. We cannot speak like a native speaker, but still we can try speaking it correctly. So I'll write the pronunciation part too in English, so you will be able to grasp it more easily, because the pronunciation part is tough in a bit tough in Russian language. So okay, I hope you'll be I'm able to clear all these things with you, the counting part. And if it's not clear or something, you have doubt in something, so do let me know in the comment section. And okay, we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, das vidania I do vsтречи. Bye bye.